We invited Chef Sommelier Alain Rosier to create dishes that he would like to cook using the Kokkerie's Balthasar Tripel beer mustard. This mustard was created by Chef Erwin van Oosten using a recipe of black, brown and yellow mustard seeds, honey, cinnamon, nutmeg and turmeric. This was then combined with white balsamic vinegar for a lighter, more gentle taste, and finally with Balthasar Tripel, an unpasteurized and unfiltered blonde beer with an ABV of 8%, which gives a fresh, slightly fruity taste. It's made by Delft's Corporate Cat Brewery.
Hi there, welcome at the Kokkerie. Welcome back, I have to mention. Today we're going to do some wine pairing with some dishes based on the seasonal ingredients from this moment, like the Dutch asparagus and the suckling lamb from Texel, from the island in the north of Holland. And of course we're going to base the dishes on the mustard that we made at the Kokkerie ourselves with the Balthasar Tripel beer from the Kokkerie. So I already did some plating before. For the second one, we have some salads with Dutch asparagus. We got some fennel, some watercress, some apple, and of course the vinaigrette based on the mustard. Just dress it up a little bit, with some more coming on the plate itself. It's really the combination of the freshness of the fennel and the lettuce, but also this crispy bits of green apple and the mustard seeds. Going to combine this salad with some leg of lamb. Already prepared that one. Slice it up a little bit. Thin sliced. Only thing I did with it was roast it in the oven with a inside temperature of 55 degrees Celsius. So really keeping all this nice flavors of the lamb itself, and of course the juices. One more vinaigrette over there. So almost like a ceviche preparation right now. Some finishing touch. These always have to look nice. It's coming from my own garden. Some sweet and sour celery. And also some hazelnut. And the hazelnut will come back later on. That has all to do with the wine pairing with the Agave di Gavi from the north of Italy. But we will talk about that later on. There you go. That's the first one. Then we go to the second preparation of the lamb. Already roasted. First of all, we marinated it with anchovies, garlic, rosemary, and of course the mustard again. And then we're gonna put it for just a touch in the oven with some garlic and rosemary in the back. For the vegetables, we have the Dutch asparagus. This time we grilled them. Some zucchini and some celeriac. The celeriac is just popped in the oven with some garden herbs and garlic as well. I'm now going to finish up and plating the dish. We first have some mousseline of celeriac. We got the gravy of the lamb itself. Just some tiny bits, of course with the mustard. And then we have the lamb just coming from the oven. We don't need the rosemary anymore, just to give it some more flavor. And of course the garlic. Oh, it looks beautiful. Look at that cuisson. grilled zucchini. Of course, the asparagus again. We have the the sour, always important. It's finishing touch. And of course, decoration. And for the potato lovers, we got some roasted whole potato, prepared in goose. That's also with some garlic and rosemary again. So then we're almost there. Well, I just found some rosemary flowers in the garden, so that will be lovely on the plate as well. And the most important thing, everything is eatable. So it's not just for the picture, just to taste good. There you go. Thank you for that. Dutch lamb with Dutch asparagus, celeriac, and the gravy with the mustard of the Kokkerie and the coconut cut. Enjoy!
Thank you, Alan. It looks like you have painted culinary art on the plate. I can't wait to taste it for real when I am allowed to finally travel to Delft again.